Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Gmpopenh264.dll missing error in Windows 11 computer guys. Let's fix that issue guys. For that, go to search menu and type cmd command prompt. Open it, click run as administrator. Click run as administrator and click yes. Now check my video description for these two commands guys. You just need to copy the first command and tap the bar, right click, edit and paste it in, press enter. This is file checking utility scan guys. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification phase of system scan, this verification 1% need to get 100% guys. Let's wait for it. After finishing this verification 100% guys, go and copy the next command. Copy it and tap the bar, right click, edit and paste it in, press enter. This verification 4% need to get 100% guys. Let's wait for it to finish it. After finishing it, you just need to restart your PC guys. You should good to go guys. Your problem has been resolved. After that, your problem will be resolved. That's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.